ale muntin am jouse damanum di kakinem tunin ratio and proportion via within na ratio and proportion percentage ve zo tavin pa p question ho jong solve within ban tunin actually jun ki zommat ningin ratio and proportion ye chu percentage na hele ratio and proportion jong in man poimo kidin na ye chu ratio proportion hi question jouse almost every question am jing in na percentage ratio proportion profit and loss jo hai important here le na pan me tin na ratio and types of ratio tam pi men na irregular ratio sorry regular ratios regular ratio let's suppose A is to B omen C is to A na jo vel le jo to irregular am na A is to B to 3 is to 5 C is to A 4 is to 7 na jo hin regular ratio achu A is to B omle bana chu B is to C na 2 4 3 3 7 Jota bang irregular ratio kitin chi khati irregular hin na ai chu continuous log chi hai continuous ngai hin na continuous low hin chu hai continuous chu regular ratio kiti hi on chun proportion in the ratio A is to B si ratio ten e equal hiteng le equal hiteng le then there should be in proportion na then there should be in proportion kiti hin ale chi denotation hi chomcha min na A is to B C is to D chi denotation chi to hin chi ki bang na same ki bang hai steng le hite ten hi proportion om le hin na anai ten hi ki multiply the asung ten hi ki multiply the agamna ten hi ki multiply hi a into d is equal to b into c t a into d is equal to b into c na so kiti hi chu ai jeng na ratio and proportion na so concept mam de sampon question an lu jing hitin na initial basic question ve hitin na find the third proportion find the third proportion to the numbers 3 and 6 ti na al azo ai sai ma bunga chu ratio ni a by b is to c by d sorry equal to I think the proportion of me tiu sana chuwa hi a to d extreme kiti na extremes and b to c hi means kiti na ale third proportional hi chuwa sai na hin b to c hi aki bange tina hi na same according to the question in this question ale ta chu agamna te ni na multiply alai te ni na multiply le is case hi a is 3 d is 6 na ale hold on to b to c b equal to c chu hold on t na hi case hi question hi then azwa question dung se extreme te ni na multiply de means te ni na multiply de na sima banga 3 into 6 na multiply is equal to suppose means to b squared out na then b is equal to root over 3 into 6 in 3 root 2 with your answer. Sorry it's question ka hol khial zo ha question is say third proportional tina hin na suppose number thung a b and c le chi pen hin do hin na c na pen hin do hin na that means A is to B is to B is to C. Each proportion, each they are in proportion, and C hold on it na here na. Ale chichu A into C is equal to B square na dite hai na. Ale B hi biham chwa hai B to 6 hai na. C hi we don't know. So C is nothing but 6 square 6 to 6 into 6 by 3 means 12. Is gonna hit here so it's the answer draw answer let's show hintin ban sal hito question about soon. Two numbers are in the ratio. Numbers are in the ratio 9:11. If sum of these two, if sum of these two numbers is 660, find the difference. Find the difference. The end. The question in also a difference hold on the two numbers are in the ratio 9:11. Let's see. A ratio to 9:11 sum to that 20 in I sum to 22 is at hite 660 to kibang it means value unit khata is at them 660 by 20 33 a difference is at 11 minus 9 10 11 2 the 2 unit adding also 33 into 2. That means 66 unit 9. Question abay ay nalayan. Head not ding covet ay nalayan. Question ho hi dew din abula hi concept bilan nga question kito dewa kibol hi ale to hi ratio 2:3 tau de khan. Another ratio is 4:5. Nah, A is to B is 2:3, B is to C 4:5 in. Find the find A is to B is to C. Nah, it is 18 whole lot of them. Let's talk about the question here. Hot than that from some style. You know, a bailam penachu, head penachu, hanamin, should be everything. 2:3 in, 4:5 in. G A column. G A column, G B column, G C column then to hi nan wall chu B hi 3 to 4 in ki matching talo equal talo chiten in equal na ding 3 4 nan multiply ding 4 3 na multiply de 3 4 na multiply le ratio khat pa jong na multiply ki di na ani na multiply di na small banga 5 jong 3 na multiply di the new ratio becomes 8:12 and then no happen here 12:15 na so regular ratio it so from here we can get 8:12:15 this is na and divide and further divide the only divide the na so I 3 I don't divide the low it is in touch chú khát hiến nè chú khát hiến chú mẹ thọt khát hiến nè chú mẹ thọt khát giống kỹ đến bày ta gõ sộp là kỹ đến khát năm kỹ đến so I 2:3 in, so I 4:5 in. Ale khat method khat chui le ichu hi 3 hin na 3 in chi 3 kit ding ta na expand de na chi ratio hin 4 chi 4 le chla jong 4 na ko ding so 3 na 3 na ko ding expanding na multiply de chi to chi in multiply 2 4 8 3 4 12 5 15 jong hi concept khat de na concept khat de evanga chi technique hi ratio hong tam teng la boy ji suppose 2:3 4:5 6:7 le chota bong teng la chun tam pi na multiply ma de na so by 5 ding so by 4 ding so by 6 ding 6 ding das tam pi na multiply ngai na chota bong chu he achai na pe na pen chu nam expand de na chu further extend teng la chun answer chun mu tho yo chu ma bang chu chu he ta vin aban question khat hi ka be ki tin na fine that's the third proportional equal into in fourth proportional equal de na 3 6 7 na le che ratio ho hi bham de 3:6 din bana 7:4 din we don't know chi ho all dot diu here la so aj ko sai da extreme ten hi multiply din minus ten hi multiply din 3 into is equal to 6 into 7 na then 3 hi anoi langa chele 3 is 1 din 3 2 so 14 there that means fourth proportional is nothing but 14 na so hin ban to hin to hin mixture question and we have tin jaba na ratio to mixture hoy kya hal do no men two vessels ati two vessels contain equal quantity of mixtures of milk and water in the ratio 8:9 and 12:5 respectively. Both mixture are mixed thoroughly. Both the mixture are mixed. Find the ratio. Find ratio of milk to water in new mixture. ale chua hi ji he question and hi question and hi vessel name na A and B chua hi milk to water ratio hi 8:9 hin khana hi 12:5 na ale 8:9 tissue percentage an khod o the in jar na 1/9 chu is a tight way 11.11 hin na 88.88% tabang tina hi le milk chu 88% hinding dang chu is a 12% 11 point something hindi na 11% chu water tina hi chu which is first mixture hai na chima banga chu second na hi sorry sti ka head khel jo na kan se khel jo 8:9 chu na multiply le jata de 9 plus 8 to 17 hindi na ale 1/17 chu is a tight way percentage chu kala percentage class ni beta bin 1/17 chu jata jata imo 1/17 chu 1/16 1/15 chu 5.6.66 na 1/16 chu 6.24 and 1/17 chu 5.88%. 5.88% in na 5.88% chu 8 and multiply 8/17 na mo na 5/840 40 sang alien jo greater than 40% na hai na 40 something na 40 something chu milk heating and the rest 60 something chu water tina hi chu hai ratio chu 8:9 hai na situation chu hin le question lu tau den na chu nya khat ga hin chen no as kan say le to hi sten hi akimix se ti so na kimix in tin tha khat ki so hai mixer tha khat ki so hai cho chu bai a ratio hold and the mix to water na ale ji imadang jong lo ratio problem hin na ya chu ji ratio ko na ko di bo hin na imadang jong phone ai abailam pena ko di chu ile allegation method na jong ko the hin na ai wa chu to hi e hon ve ratio and proportion hi ja ratio ko da nai ko deu he o mas pe na ale ve tin to hi na bol de chu imadang jong hi po milky am khana hi 8 and 12 na 8 plus 12 na bol bana water hi 9 to 5 in 9 to 5 near the this 9 plus 5 na then 8 plus 20 na mo hin 9 plus 5 so 14 na so further na divide 10 2 10 20 2 7 14 10 is to 7 le chwana mo chu imadang jong pon 10 is to 7 ho chi ratio milk is to water in the new mixture chu 10 is to 7 how the answer me imadang jong ai pon na milk component to water component chuna ama component chuna no gop khom le hi jing an madang zong hi question to chu chi chu bai na lai hin na suppose a question hin itin say tale there is if both are mixed in chu hin na in the ratio 2:1 titale na find the final ratio an ti de so sa hi na masa chu equal quantity e no so equal so to equal ta lo dina to hi na yan teng le chun ratio chu 2:1 an ne ta ya chu to hi pya calculation hi cho mi de ta na masa so milk is to water 8:9 hin 12:5 ade ijo to kon khot de ten le hin amas pe na hi ratio in equal sa de hi ale ratio in equal sa na dinga hi chiten hi nei ko phom le ja no net khom le 17 hai na 8 plus 9 is 17 8 sum ting le chiong hi sum chu 17 no mo ale chi net khom le ki bang he na ma te ni sum chu so nagin na khiang ai ta lo de na khiang ai ta lo im san lo ngai ta lo de chi wa hi 2:1 ratio 2:1 ana multiply di ha chung la no hi ai chu 2:1 tina chu first mixture na si 1 chu second mixture tina hai na so first mixture chu double sa ding bana chi ani na pa hi nai khan de ha ale chi chun 2 number chu 29 2:16 29:18 na and chi chu as it is it's the near home day answer so ying 28 in 8 plus 7 that time 20 and 3 28 is to 23 the new mixer na so here question he ne kharan bha ne kharan twist theo he na question ho bang so hi ki dong nom jin exam ho gala ale concept ne vien gat ne via ho tin na to hi 2:3 omin 3:5 omin le ichi ratio te ni hi ki ba sa no ma le bina lo dan chiten hi le already bia in regular ratio hin na 2:3 3:5 hin ale ji ko amza aza chu le yet le sam ki bang hin na to ya yet teng le iza nu sam chu 5 in chu hi 8 na ale 5 le 8 chu ki bang lo hi na not equal na ele chi itina bol tam tele achung pa hi 8 ana multiply di noi pa hi 5 ana multiply di ale ibizan mo mo de 2 8 16 3 8 24 3 5 15 hindi 5 5 25 na ele chi vieta izarong ta 6 24 plus 16 so 2 3 4 40 hin and 25 plus 15 so 2 3 4 40 na that means asam hong ki bangta na equal quantity ti de ta to chi na ani ne ichu ratio ni ai kiba sa dan na ase sam kiba sa dan method ka se in na ne da net pen ta chun e khat ne pya na mu pen to chun ratio khat chom pa na mal pai ding chom na tina he na cross de tina he ju khat men na concept khat tu hin some involved in na tu in difference value difference of one in na difference jana 2 in na le 2 to 1 mon 2 hi achung na multiply ta chi 1 na multiply ta 2 to 4 2 3 6 1 is 1 5 na le chwa he na mu am some chu chwa 10 hi ding chwa 6 ta na ki bang ta lo cho ale chwa difference no whole thing le piam ni he do the chu difference no whole do thing le hin e oh sorry 63 hin na difference no lo thing le hin na ji aki ka 3 to 4 chi jana ki km -1 6 to 5 jana ki km -1 na aki khiet na chwa hi namu number do the o suppose it's quantity ni hin it's ko ito to concept age ho vela na find age the difference between A and B age of A and B is 5 years to ho vela na kimang nom hi chi concept amade in difference no hola na cross multiply de aje chu chiwa hi 2 to 3 to 3 chiwa hi jana ki km +1 to +2 na difference on ki bang lo na na ki ba sa na dinga su in ratio hi ma te ni na minus di na je le chiwa na man kat na cross di ho sing lesson equal difference na mo de tina hi khatsu sum in ball sum ma kona ni khatsu difference it's concept very important na very important so ana have in lang very important exam are very important aje chu ratio question those ki mang thei ha so hin na concept ni he ta bin aban sal hitin ale pa hi ko san khan ki din na 20 liters mixture su jat 20 liters na milk is to water ratio to 5 is to 20 ale how much water should be added tu is that ki sum le new ratio is to water to 2 is to 5 hidem tina he ade 5 is the 2 hin na ale new ratio chu piam 2 is to 5 na 2:5 ha ale to hi how much water tin na ale chawa constant pen hi pem milk hi milk ki khel lo tinai milk ki khel lo atile chun azwa I pha E is to B C is to D concept na steni hin khat jo pen na su kon le ki ba di equal na su equal di tinai chai concept ai ale chawa hi milk ki in ki ba sa di tinai hin na le 5 in khat 2 hin na so 5 is 2 and multiply 2 hi 5 and multiply dong ki bang di ta na ai bang khat bo na multiply the lo di a ratio zo khat na multiply le khat dong na multiply di na so the new ratio chu 10:4 10:25 na le milk ki bang ta cho cho hai na bong noi ki bang tan ai bang water ki bang ta lo tui ki bang ta lo na tui hi zan ki khem tile 21 units akal ta cho na so ale to hi 21 units sun tui zan e nam chu an sai no di na ale to hi unit khat value I hold do di he na ale g initial pen pen hi initial mixer hin na ratio hin chu 10 plus 4 so 14 hin na 14 chu jat ki bangi te 20 to ki bangi te 20 liter to ale unit khat chu 28 by 14 hin chu jana te 2 a chi the na liter ni ti nai unit khat chu ale tui hi 21 unit na kal ti nai chu ale 2 ana multiply di ale unit khat na 2 liter hin na 42 liter le sakona su ni het zo chu ile 21 unit or 42 liter so tuina at le ratio so 2:5 am ki khel ti na he so 42 liters answer ele chu hin to hi izan ne nam hol do enten to hi question khana hi izan ne in a final hi izan liter ham ando kin de na a mixture contains milk is to water 9:4 in chi question hi pH short kana kan ji di 1 adding 1 liter of water ratio becomes find total quantity find the total quantity of the original mixture di chuai ale chuwa hin value hin milk is to water na milk is to water so 9:4 in ale initial mixer na initial achu ji final 3:2 final mixture ale water tui ne da ko na chu 3:2 ki su do he na chu wa jong chu constant chu pe ham tele milk man chu na milk man chu constant na hello he chu ma ba ma chu wa jong hi na su equal ngai di oh chu wa khat 3 in khat 9 hin na le khat 3 na multiply le khat 9 na ani na multiply ding 27 to 4 draw 27 to 918 ale milk ki bangai mu ta chu wa na ai le ji jana kala tui 6 unit na kala oh ale question sei chu liter tui hi liter li ne cho na ale 6 unit to 4 liter cho ale unit khan chu ja ta dem 4 by ta na chu 2 divide len 2 by 3 liter hi de oh ale unit khat na mu ta na original mixture hi hold on ti so mai original mixture jana ji na 27 to 12 so 39 hi de ale unit khana chu 2 by 3 le 39 unit na chu 2 by 3 hi oh so 26 liter ji answer 26 liter de oh original mixture ni khat cha original pen chu mixture pen chu chu de oh question la chom tampi ve vin well question ha ne khat ni ve tin na sai da ding two alloy chu in here de na metal ni ku bia combine thing alloy ki so ji na alloy contain zinc and copper ratio 2:1 what ratio what ratio the two alloys here to get ale chu question sai chu alloy ni omin na alloy ni omin khat chun first alloy thok sorry first alloy chun zinc is to copper ratio chu 2:1 ham hin second alloy 4:1 na ale chwa sai chu inward ratio repeat ratio a mix le a chei na in final na in 3:1 a dem tinai ho 3:1 3:1 a so dem ati na ale chi final ratio final alloy ti the ho 3:1 chu ale to hi in the bowling hi imadang long hi pot na azu khat piana chu ion equal de ba na ratio chu equal ratio is over ba na e do hin na to hi to hin same chu concept man diu he so adong heading 5 okay and then this 3 5 al chi hin ve 11 chi asam hi piam asam 3 heading chuai 5 in chuai 4 in na 3 5 4 ya ale True 15 al ito to question hin na asam hi zat mo ta 3 5 4 hin na le chi LCM hi hold up le hen LCM chu 3 5 4 a chu abona na multiply di jem 5 for 20 into 3 60 le 60 LCM na mo do hin na LCM concept mi least common multiple na LCM chiteni a 60 hin na LCM le chi 3 ai za che dem 3 in divide le hen 20 hin na 20 na mo di into 20 hin le 5 and divide le hen 12 hin le chu ai 4 and divide le 2 5 15 hin na chu hin aban hin mixture hi kat kile chun 20 new mixture na modi chu chung pen pa hi chung pen pa hi chung pen pa hi 20 is to sorry 20 na 4 2 5 15 3 4 45 is 15 20 is 2 ale chipad hi an vet data ten na ale siam to 60 move na khana hen 20 min khana 12 min khana 15 min ale chwa ko na allegation ne khan ngai din chwa hi a khot gang na dinga lo le paim lo wen allegation a chu 20 quantity na hi chwa hi 12 quantity chwa 15 quantity ale 20 hiding khat 12 hiding final at 15 na mo nom then chiten hi na minus le za ta then 3 na mo din chwa hi 5 na mo le 3 is to 5 ratio hi allegation concept allegation ten le an ve ki ni tin 2 hit ni tin na kwai ta ji question je jo ta bang hi exam adinga poimo important na exam ho vela ki dong om ji aje cho ha je min na ne khat an twis de bia question exam na za dan bol the na competitive exam a chu ha ta hung ki dong ki de sang a hung ha me thi sei thi lo en na yo le ale chan chun nga den tu ni ding na ki pa